fam, GadInsider here with huge Apple news. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is set to drop this year with a brighter display and bigger battery. Let's unpack this wrist candy. Satellite connectivity, a stunning LTPO 3 OLED screen, and longer battery life. Could this be Apple's best rugged watch yet? Stick around to find out what's coming. After a no-show last year, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is finally on track for 2025. According to analyst Jeff Hu, it's expected to launch in September alongside the iPhone 17 series and Watch Series 11 at Apple's big event. Hu also says a Watch Series 12, AirPods Pro 3, and a new Vision Pro are slated for 2026, with blood pressure monitoring hitting Apple Watches in 2027. Smart glasses and a budget Vision Air headset, those are rumored for 2027 too. Now let's talk Ultra 3. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman spilled that it'll pack satellite connectivity, letting you send text or call for help off-grid, perfect for hikers or adventurers. The star upgrade, an improved LTPO 3 OLED display, rumored to hit over 3,000 nits for crazy brightness, and a larger battery for longer use. Post on X also hint at 5G RecApp support for better efficiency over LTE. Compared to the Ultra 2, which got a new colorway in 2023, this feels like a solid leap. While the design might stick close to the original, as per Gurman, the focus is on performance and connectivity. Built for those who need a tough smartwatch that doesn't quit. Why is this hype-worthy? The Apple Watch Ultra 3 could redefine rugged smartwatches with its bright screen, epic battery, and off-grid features. Whether you're scaling mountains or just want a watch that lasts, this is Apple stepping up. It's a must-watch for fitness buffs and tech nerds alike. Stoked for the Apple Watch Ultra 3? Drop a comment. What features got you excited? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.